On this short quick video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat something went wrong. So the first thing you have to do, guys, is make sure to update your Snapchat. You can update it in the Play Store. If you have Android or iPhone, you can update it in the App Store. After you update your Snapchat, go to the settings, go to the apps manager, and when you go to the apps here, you will find all the apps. Or what you have to do next is click on search for Snapchat and then click on the storage, click on clear cache, and next go to the settings again, click on wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it. That's it. If the problem is not solved yet for you, this means that you have a problem in the network that you are connected to. So don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial.